This conference will now be recorded.
So let us see what are the tools that we need to install for this Selenium course. Let me share my screen in a moment. Just give me. All of you are able to see my screen, guys? I'm audible?
Yes, you are audible and
Yes.
then we are able to see the your screen.
Yeah. So these are the set of tools that we need to have it for our automation course. So first what we are doing, we can use either Java 21 or Java 17, that is up to your preference. But in the training, we are taking Java 21 as the JDK version. And what are the common editors that we have? IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse,
Which one,
VS
Raghu?
Code. These are
Which
the
you're
common.
taking? Java, which one?
Java, I'm taking version 21, Anita.
20. Okay, okay. Yeah,
You
thank you.
might argue that the Java 22 is there, 23 is there. Why are you taking Java 21? The reason is that the Jenkins supports only till Java 21, and most of the CI/CD tools supports till Java 21 only. That is the reason I'm taking JDK 21, because in the month of September, like just 3 days back, we got a latest release on Java 23. But still, we are going with Java 21 because all the CI/CD tools works properly with JDK 21 only. That is the reason, Anita.
Yeah,
And
okay.
when it comes to the coding tools, what are the coding editors we will use? IntelliJ, Eclipse, VS Code. Personally prefer to use IntelliJ because that is one of the leading tools for Java, especially when we are working with JDK 21, because we can actually and get the full range of Java 21 features when we are using IntelliJ IDEA than Eclipse or VS Code. That is my preference, guys. You can also try using Eclipse or VS Code. That is up to you. But my personal choice is I will work with IntelliJ IDEA.
Oh, may I know the
Editor
reason why we are using IntelliJ? I mean, like we do have Eclipse and one more thing. So, what are the benefits we will get more than that?
IntelliJ, the GUI of IntelliJ is fantastic. Second thing is if you want to integrate with any plugins, has a wide range of plugins. IntelliJ. Third thing is whenever you want to connect your Git repositories with Azure Git or Bitbucket or normal Git, IntelliJ supports all of them. Okay, and it has a great view of. I mean, whenever we run our test cases, we can actually have a clear understanding of how the test cases are happening, which scenarios are being picked, how are they being run. All those details you can see them clearly. Got it? And it has this wonderful mechanism of autosave. You need not save, the code will be auto saved. Got it, Aruna?
Yes, I got it. But in Eclipse, it's not autosave.
It is not autosave. You have to manually save it all the time.
Ah,
You
okay,
have to
okay,
press Control S all the time, or you go to that icon and you press the save button, right?
okay. Thank you.
See, we all forget to save the file sometimes, and when we push the changes or when we commit the changes, it will be an issue, right? So that is the reason we are using IntelliJ because it's autosave. You need not save the
Okay,
files.
okay,
Got it?
got it.
Then we will be using the Git tools. What are the Git tools we'll be using? Git Bash for Windows we'll be using, and we'll be using Brew install for Mac. So for API testing, for manual API testing, I prefer to go with Postman and Node.js. Okay, Postman and Node.js. Swagger and SOAP UI are some outdated and legacy tools because if you see in the current market, the major share, like 90% of the people are using Postman along with Node.js as their tool for manual API testing because Swagger and SOAP are outdated, clearly outdated, and they are out of the race. And automation testing concepts will be covering working with REST assured and HTTP client. And when it comes to databases, we'll be working with predominantly SSMS and we'll also be giving a demonstration of how MySQL will work similarly. And no SQL tools is something I have planned specifically for this batch. Like I wanted to try pick some time to cover some MongoDB basics because the major applications that you see that is Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. All these sites are built on NoSQL tools that is called as MongoDB. I'll just like to give a quick walkthrough of what is MongoDB and all the stuff. Then when it comes to CI/CD, we will be covering Apache Maven, Jenkins WA, and also we'll cover Docker also. Got it? We'll try to cover Docker also. Got it? Is this clear, everyone? Any doubts?
Rahul, I'll be getting these notes also along with the class, because recording will be there. I understand, but these kind of things will not only this. Apart from this, other notes which you'll be
Yes, yes,
sharing
we
with.
will be. I will be sharing you all the all the coding notes, all the files later. As soon as we progress towards the class, you will be getting all the files related to it.
Okay, fine.
Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't worry about the content. What you're trying to receive, will get the content. That is not a problem. Okay. Got it? Any doubts, guys? These are the tools that we are working on installing it today, and we'll also be discussing on how to code. Okay. So let's get started, guys. Just give me a moment. Let's get started. Just give me a moment. Some of our members are not able to join the meeting. I don't know why. Okay. So let's get started with the tool installations. So before the class, I've uninstalled all the tools so that you will understand how do you install them. Got it? Got it? Now, what are the tools that I need to download? I need to download JDK 21 download. Okay. I will download JDK 21. Okay. Java SA21 archive downloads, and let us see the latest version what we have. So the latest version is 21.0.3. This is the latest version I'm having. So based on your operating systems, please download it. Got it? Based on your operating system, you select the right link to download it. For Windows users, this 64-bit installer what we have to work on it. For Mac OS users who are using the 64-bit, you have to use the DMG installer. For the people who are using this Mac OS ARM, we'll be using the ARM 64-bit DMG installer. For Linux, we'll be downloading this packages. We need to download based on our operating system. We need to download the right package. Don't download any compressed archive files. Got it? Got it, everyone?
I have a
So,
question.
yeah.
So I already have like a Java 17 installed on my machine.
So,
I think
Anjum, it's totally fine if you have 17, but I'll be covering some Java 21 functionalities like sequence collections and string templates and all. For that, you might need 21. Okay. If you can have 21 also, that would be great, Anjum, at a later point of time. 17 is also wonderful, that is no doubt. But I wanted to showcase you some Java 21 features also. What are the latest enhancements that are given? Okay.
okay, all right.
Got it? Got it? So let me download the Windows version. I'll click on this download. Got it? It'll take some time for it to download. So once I have downloaded it, let me install this JDK. Just go through this step-by-step process, and I would request to follow the session, because if you try to do parallelly, you might be confused. So whenever you're trying to install Java, you'll be getting a pop-up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Say click on yes. Okay. So when I say I click on yes, it will take some time for the Windows wizard to load. Okay. So it is saying like preparing to install. So welcome to the installation wizard. You simply click on next, next, and simply click on next. It hardly takes 2 minutes for the JDK to be set up in your systems. Got it? Got it, everyone?
You want us to do parallelly, Rahul, or after the
No, you
class
don't.
you?
After the class, you do it. That would be a right idea, Anita, because if you do it parallel enough, you might miss what we are covering up. That is the reason. That is the only reason I'm telling you.
Yeah, sure.
If you have any issues, post the session also. I'll be more than happy to clarify. Okay.
Yeah, we will post in the WhatsApp chat if anything is there.
Yes, yes. Please, you can do
Thank
that.
you.
So once the JDK is completed, you can click on close button. Now the JDK is ready. So what we need to do, we need to set up this Java home environment. We need to set up couple of environment variables. So what I need to do, go to your C drive. I'll go to my C drive, program files, Java. So there is a JDK 21 here. Take this JDK 21, take this bin path, got it? Copy this path. So search for environment variables. Go to environment variables. Okay, already my Java home is set already. That is why you will not see this thing. Let me delete this Java home. Okay, so what you need to do under the system variables, we need to create a new variable called as Java underscore home, where I have to put my JDK till JDK 21 only, not till the bin folder. Okay, you have to set the Java home variable like this. Then if you go in the path, you need to put the bin path. If you come down here, okay, already my bin path is already set, so that shouldn't be a problem. So since we have declared the Java home there, I'll be declaring my bin path here. Got it? Got it, everyone? We'll be
Hi,
declaring the
Rahul.
bin path. Yeah, tell
Yeah,
me.
hi, Rahul. Sorry for the disturbance. I have wonder, what is the difference between Java Home and Java Path?
Java path. So
Yeah, Java Path.
Java home is basically used for during CI/CD model. They will check what is this Java home, where is the exactly the Java library being installed exactly and all. When you say for Java bin, it contains the whole Java library. Okay. When you say it contains the whole Java library, whenever we run in CI/CD or Apache style, na, they will understand that okay, this is the place where I have all the Java libraries installed. Or whenever we are working with Allure reports, we need this Java home compulsory, because the Allure reports, what it will understand is this is the place where Java is exactly installed. So it will coordinate with them accordingly and generate the reports. Got it? It is purely from the configuration side of CI/CD and report generation. Got it? To identify
Yeah,
that this is the Java folder and this is the bin folder is something like this is where my Java libraries are present. Got it?
yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. And as if you can speak.
Sir, first of all, thank you for your session. I just attended now. I was just my work, so came back home a few minutes ago. I joined the call. I have a question. I tried to install earlier this like Java and Java Home everything, but there was no need to update for me for the variables. It automatically when I tried to did that, they was there already. So can you please explain in nowadays like modern systems with the latest window, is it done automatically or do we have to do it?
No need. There's nothing called as automatic. You do it manually. That will be a right process only. Uh, you will not face any issue. Try following the same steps after the class is completed. You'll not face any issue. If you still face an issue, you
Okay,
can keep me connected. Then I'll solve your issue. Got it?
sure. But if these things are already there after installing and we did nothing,
Yeah,
like
if
it
you
is
have JDK
automatic.
17, that is totally fine. But there are some JDK 21 functions which I'll be discussing you during the course of time. If you want to practice those JDK 21, it is absolutely fine. Else, you
Mhm.
can ignore it. But it is always good to have JDK 21 during practice, because you can downgrade to 17 at any point of time again. Got it?
Right, sure.
Yes.
Is it possible after the class we can catch up for 5 minutes on the call
Okay. Okay. Sure.
so I
Sure.
can show you?
Sure. 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 Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
So,
you.
Uma, it is the same process for like Windows, but for Mac, you need to check how do you modify the environment variables, because you just have a look at how do you modify the environment variables. That is the only thing you have to look at it. But as far as I know with Mac, already the path variables, environment variables will be set automatically. So that is the thing, you have to look at it. The same process, everything will be there, but the look and feel will be quite different. You will not have a GUI type environment variables there. You will be having, you need to set the environment variables at the command prompt level. Okay. As of now, we don't need it, but when we are running with CI/CD process, we will have a look at it. Got it? Yeah, Praveen, tell me.
Hi, it's the same as the Uma. So I got a MacBook with me, so I just want to check. So how can I install the Java?
Yeah, the same question I've answered just now. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay, now the JDK is installed. So want to check whether JDK is installed properly or not. Open your command prompt, type java-version. So it will say the Java version is 21.0.3 if the JDK is installed properly and successfully. Got it? Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Any doubts?
No for me.
Yes. So the next tool that I want to install is git bash. Okay. So if you're a Mac user, go to this Mac. Please install Homebrew. Okay. Please install Homebrew first if you don't have. So run this curl command in your Mac machines and install this Homebrew. Okay. Once you install this Homebrew, then you run this command brew install git for a Mac user. Got it? Got it, everyone? For Mac users.
Yeah.
Let's got
For a,
it.
yeah, for a Windows user, you need to download it. For Linux, the Git is automatically installed by default, ideally. Okay. So when we are going for Windows, take a standalone 64-bit installer. Okay. I download this Git. Got it? Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. So click on next blindly. Okay. Don't even modify anything. Okay. Click on next blindly. Okay. Okay. This way. This I will tell you later. As of now, you put this way. So click on next, next. Blindly put next, next, next. If you change anything, it will be a problem during the Git integration. Got it?
Sorry, what's your name again? Sorry, Sahil?
Rahul, tell me.
Rahul, Rahul. So, I'm just going back to Java. So, as I mentioned that I have 17th version, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, do I have to install new environment variable for 21, which I'm loading right
Yeah,
now?
we need to add a separate bin. You need to add a separate bin path, right?
I see. Okay. All right.
Okay. So my Anju, my suggestion is uninstall 17 and work with 21. Don't put multiple JDKs in your system. Okay.
Oh, you want me to uninstall 17 and
And
then
install
download?
21. That would be a right idea because don't put multiple JDKs in your system as because it will be you will be confused again later. So have only one JDK that provides more clarity. Okay.
Okay.
So the git bash is installed now. Okay. Now what we need to do next? IntelliJ download. Got it? If you go to IntelliJ download, you can select your operating system and click on install. Okay. But IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate is a paid version. You should not take that. Come scroll down, you will be having a community edition, guys. Got it? You'll be having a community edition. So what we need to do, we need to download this community edition. Community edition is a free version. Okay.
Sir Rahul, just a question. I
Mm-hmm.
see different people are different using the different like these like how you say IntelliJ or other also this code what is called come on Asif. Uh, Editors. So one is from the Microsoft, which is like I hear like
VS Code.
huh?
VS Code, that is called.
Yeah. So is it good to like continue with that, or for especially for the like
You
Selenium?
can continue with that. The thing is, if you want to work with any plugins like the Cucumber and TestNG plugins are perfectly binded here. But if you want
Yeah.
to continue with VS Code, you can continue with VS Code. That is not a problem. But the thing
Okay.
with IntelliJ is this, na, if you say any Maven project or something, na, the packages, the folder structure is ready-made. Even I'm not saying
Mhm.
in VS Code you won't get it, you will get it. But since VS Code is predominantly used for Python or TypeScripting or all this stuff, that is a great tool for all those stuff. When it comes to Java, IntelliJ is best. That is what I can say because we can change some JDK libraries and all. We can change some. We can play around with some settings as if. That is what I can say. For automation testers, IntelliJ is the best tool than VS Code. If you are a developer, yes, VS Code would be great. Got it?
What is this IntelliJ, Rahul? What is this used for?
IntelliJ, it's like an editor. How you use Eclipse? Similarly, IntelliJ is like an editor, code editor.
So Eclipse is better or IntelliJ is good for all
IntelliJ is
these things?
leading the race now because
Okay.
IntelliJ is the one they're sponsoring for all the JDK updates.
Right. Right.
Got it? How can we check whether Git bash is downloaded successfully or not? Open your command prompt, type the word Git. Initially, it will say Git is not recognized because this command prompt is open before the Git is installed. Now, what you need to do? You need to open a new tab. Okay, I will say Git. If I type the word Git, you'll be seeing all this list of commands. If you're able to see all this list of commands, then you can see that the Git is installed properly. Got it? Is this clear, everyone? Git, yeah. Now my IntelliJ is also ready. Let's install this tool. This is a big tool. I mean, IntelliJ is a bit of a heavy tool, but it's good to have. So take some time for the pop-up to load. Give me a moment.
So sir, I clicked on IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. Is this the one we have to
No,
install?
you should scroll down. You'll get a community version. That is what I told you just now.
Community version, yeah. Download for
Yeah, you should
Windows.
need to scroll down and take the community version.
Mhm. Should I download the exe file or zip file?
exe, that is up to you. If you download the exe file, you will follow what we are dealing with the class. Okay.
Right.
Always recommended to download the exe file. Okay.
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 Sure.
I this pop-up comes up. I click on next. Simply click on next. Create a desktop shortcut. Okay. This is not mandatory, but it's good to have create associations. Then click
Oh,
on
I didn't
install.
I didn't select all those options. I just clicked next.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. That's not a problem. It's good to have. That is why I told you it's good to have. Okay.
I
Meanwhile, the
assume
intelligent is,
this takes a quite a lot of time,
yeah, this
right?
takes quite a time, Anjum. So in the meanwhile, we will also keep another tool downloaded and ready. Got it? We are using SQL Server Management Studio. Because why we are using SQL Server Management Studio? Because this is one of the databases that is mainly used in production. In production, in most of the client environments, they are using SSMS just for the only reason that because its enterprise edition is completely amazing, guys. Okay.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. For the IntelliJ, we just only have to click create desktop shortcut on that screen
Yes.
and nothing else, right?
Nothing. Nothing.
Okay.
So don't do it parallelly, guys. My suggestion again, and I'm telling you, so that it'll miss the flow. Later, once all my installations are completed, you can try doing it because you will forget if there are some options which I'll be putting it right. so that you might forget again. Okay. So IntelliJ will take some time. Let it give some time.
And the next after the IntelliJ is SQL Server Manager, right?
SSMS, yes, you can say download SSMS. And for people who are using Mac, please download MySQL. Okay. Okay. Please download MySQL Workbench. Got it?
So Rahul, is it going for IntelliJ when it is done downloading? Is it going to create any icon on the desktop or?
Yeah, you need to select that whenever you're trying to install, you need to select that option called create a desktop shortcut. If you select that option only, a shortcut will be created on the desktop. Else it will not create a shortcut. Okay.
So how is I did not select it. So how would
It's
I
okay.
be?
It's okay. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. No
No, but
worries.
how would I be able to do it now? Like if I wanted
Okay.
to.
Let me click on finish. I'll show you. Okay. Let me click on finish. You can search here. Okay. Got it? If you search here, you will get it. Got it?
Yeah.
For Mac people, you download this thing, guys. Okay. Ultimately, for the people who are coding in Mac also, later their database code, whenever they are going in production, they have to be migrated to SSMS ultimately. Okay. That is part of the data migration activity that you will be doing later. Got it? I mean, not for you, in the companies, in the organization, I'm telling you. Got it? So it is saying like import my settings somewhere like that. Got it? It is saying like I want to import settings or something like that, because I already have a already use IntelliJ in my system. So I'll say skip import. I don't want any imports. So once you open IntelliJ, this is the first screen you will get it.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. Actually, from where you downloaded that SSMS?
Okay, sure. I'll show
Actually,
you
I
once
wanted
more.
to note it down. Right?
Okay. So SSMS download. Okay. You type SSMS download. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it? Don't worry, guys, don't worry. If you are not able to get where the link is and all, I will share a separate document of what is the software and where you need to download. I'll share all the links. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
I'll put it in the group, the exact download links. Okay. You don't worry. I've curated all the document links for this purpose only. Okay.
Sir, you said we should skip the import for the import setting if we have
Yes,
already
yes.
something.
Skip the import settings. Then you will land in the screen.
Okay, yeah.
Got it? Let us install
Uh,
SSMS and then we'll jump into the coding part. Okay. Now our SSMS is installed.
Rahul, I'm seeing a different screen in IntelliJ.
Like,
Can I share my screen?
you can drop a screenshot in the chat window. I will have a look at it later. Okay. In this class chat window, you drop the screenshot. I will have a look at it later. So once the SSMS is ready, click on install. Once you click on install, the pop-up comes. Directly click on yes.
Sir, while
So
it's
this is,
installing, can you please go on the Windows of SSMS download and
yeah.
please show which option we have to
So the
click because
first
I
link,
got
the first link
and
you click
then
on
download SQL Server.
SSMS. Yeah, download SQL Server Management Studio. SSMS stands for SQL Server Management Studio. And if you scroll
It's
down, you
on the
have this
top right
prompt.
corner.
Sorry?
Okay, no, it's a down. I got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. So it'll take some time for the SSMS to be installed.
Mhm.
Got it? someone was having any issue with IntelliJ, I want that screenshot, then only I can tell you whether what is happening.
I think this I'm not able to paste screenshot in the chat. I think it is disabled to post any.
Okay, can you put it in my chat and can you put it in our group so that in the WhatsApp group so that I'll look into it, if you don't mind.
That's a group chat that I'm trying to post in, and it's not. I'm when I click
In the
on paste.
WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group.
Oh, WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll do that.
So it'll take some time for SSMS to be installed. Okay. Let it be installed. Let it take some time to install. Okay. Now SSMS is completely installed. Got it? Now most majority of the softwares are installed. There are a couple more software that needs to be installed that I'll be discussing you as and when we cover that topic. That holds more value than right now. Okay. Got it? Now your IntelliJ project is this is the screen when you are working with IntelliJ for the first time. Now what we need to do, we always click on new project. Got it? Whenever we want to work on new project, select a Java. So what is the project name I would put? Okay. So let me select my folder. Okay. Okay. Evening 9 to 10 underscore September 2024. Okay. So always select the build system as Maven, not IntelliJ. We will be working on a Maven project. Okay. Always select the build system as Maven. Then I click on create. Got it, everyone? So if you are creating a Maven project for the first time, it will take some 5 minutes to set the Maven project in your system. If you have already created a Maven project in your system, it doesn't take much of the time for the setup. Got it?
Rahul, I will be asking very basic questions. So you are creating a Java project with Maven. So what is Maven and what is it intelligent is IntelliJ is you told it is in kind of screen where we are writing our code, right?
Yes. Yeah, it's
Similarly,
like
Maven.
Eclipse. It's like Eclipse.
So Maven is also something like that only.
Maven is a build tool. I'll explain you Maven in a while, Anita. What is Maven and all? Give me some time, I'll explain. Right now, if I explain you Maven, it will be too much at this current stage. Let me explain a couple of Java concepts, and after a while, I'll explain what is Maven. Then you will understand what is Maven, Anita. Okay?
Ma'am,
We are
can you sorry, go ahead. I
yeah.
need
So
to.
Okay?
Can you show the step again where you get to the Maven?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you click on new project. Whenever you want to create a project, when you click on new project, you see this build system, right? You need to select Maven. Okay? Got it?
Yes. So it seemed like Eclipse, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, same like whenever you're creating a project, select the build system as Maven. Got it? Oh, Sahil, IntelliJ is more user friendly than Eclipse. Come on. Even I was also under your view prior using IntelliJ, but Eclipse is more user friendly. It has amazing options. Like you can easily play around. Okay.
So if we do the code in IntelliJ, So can we just copy and paste the same code to Eclipse, and would it work when we execute it in
It
Eclipse?
works. The thing I'm trying to tell you is with Eclipse, the JDK from 17 onwards, the Eclipse is not supporting that well. That is the problem, guys. Because JDK 11 will be decommissioned in 2025. 2025 and the JDK 11 will be decommissioned for support. Again, we all have to migrate to 17. 17 contract is till 2030. Okay. So IntelliJ is the tool that we all need to migrate to because for the latest Java versions now, the thing is it is not supporting that well because IntelliJ is the prime sponsor for the Java. They are funding for Java updates and Java upgrades. That is the reason, Anju. You can do the same thing on Eclipse, but if you want to really explore the complete Java functionalities, IntelliJ is the right tool.
Rahul sir, just a question. It's a different one compared to this. JDK is from the Java. There is a one also from Zolo JDK. Is it the same?
No, you should
Any
only
different?
work with JDK from the official Oracle website. There will be Amazon Corota, there will be Zolo, there will be multiple, but always use the
Mhm.
JDK from the official Oracle website. That is the
Okay.
latest and the official one.
Okay. Because at my work, they stop JDK, let's say from the official version, and in like our software center now, it's a
Okay,
Zolo JDK. So it's a
okay.
confusion.
See, I will tell you one thing. As per my experience, let it be Amazon Corota, Zolo, anything, the Java remains the same, the code remains the same. What they made it is like when for some companies, if you want to use the JDK latest version, Praveen, just give me a moment, na. Okay. So for
Sorry,
the
sorry,
some
yes.
companies, yeah, just give me a moment. I'm clarifying as if doubt. So for some companies, what is happening is if you want to move your Java code to production, you need to have a Java licensing for it currently. So for that reason, they are saying like if you want to work with Java official version, you need to go for some paid tool, paid version or something. But definitely 90% of the 90 to 95% of the companies are working with Oracle JDK only, guys. If you are working with Zola or something, the most are the same. The commands will be the same. They are trying to make it open source. That's the only thing you can say. Got it, Asif?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Praveen. Sorry.
No, no, sorry. So I've no, like unmuted by accidentally. So sorry about that.
Yeah, thanks. Okay. This is how we create a project. Type your project name, select your location, select Maven as a build tool. Okay. And click on create. Your project will be created in your system. That is the first thing. So let us go step by step. What is SRC main Java? What is resources test? I'll tell you everything step by step. Not today because we are all starting our coding journey today only. If we discuss all these things, some people might feel it layman, Greek, gibberish. I don't want that to happen for now. After a while, I'll be going through all this stuff. So, so from some people who were saying, like Sahel was saying, I can use Eclipse instead of IntelliJ because it's more user friendly, I believe. So for people who are comfortable in working on the shortcuts, like some people who are using VS Code, they're comfortable with VS Code shortcuts. Some people who are working with Eclipse, like me, who where I've come from Eclipse background, where I'm comfortable with Eclipse shortcuts. What you can do is go to File, go to Settings, go to Key Map. By default there will be Windows as your key map. So if you are Eclipse, you're migrating from Eclipse to IntelliJ, you can use Eclipse so that all the Eclipse shortcuts will work here. Got it, everyone? If people who are using VS Code already, they can put Visual Studio as their key map tool to apply all the Visual Studio shortcuts here. Got it, everyone?
Can you
Got it,
please
everyone?
explain this one more time from where we got these options? I'm sorry for saying
Rahul,
this.
can you please repeat again? Sorry.
So you see on these four lines, are you able to see these four lines at the top left? You're able to see these four lines here, guys?
No, I think you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to
Yeah.
make
yeah,
that
yeah.
window.
So if you click on these four lines, are you able to see this file, edit, view, this menu options? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So if you go here, go to settings. So if you are unable to view the settings option using the file editor, the shortcut way is use Control Alt S. So automatically this windows will come up. Got it? Use Control Alt S to open the settings window. Got it?
Yeah.
So you should go to key map. Once you go to key map, by default it will be Windows. Since we have worked already on Eclipse and you say like I'm more comfortable with Eclipse shortcut keys, I will select Eclipse. And you have already prior worked with Visual Studio and you are comfortable with VS Code shortcut keys, then you can select VS Code. Got it?
Hmm.
Got it?
And people like us who has never worked in anything.
Uh, I'm going with Eclipse because I'm very much comfortable with Eclipse shortcuts. You follow me, okay?
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Got it? I click on apply. So do you want a dark theme or a light theme, guys? The screen is dark, the editor is dark. Do you want a light theme or a dark theme?
I think dark is better. I don't know. Maybe
Light.
other.
Dark is better.
If you show us the lighter one only, we can differentiate and
Yeah,
tell.
yeah, sure. I'll go here. I'll go to appearances. I'll say light. How is this, guys?
Light is better, I believe.
Got it.
For the training session, light is better. For actual working, dark might be.
Lighter
Okay.
screen is better.
Okay, sure. I'll switch to lighter mode. Okay.
Sir, can you also please reduce little bit screen size because from the top menu bar I'm not able to see. I'm not sure if it's the same case with the others also.
Now you can see the menu bar.
No.
Yeah, we are able to see it, Asif.
Uh-huh. Maybe it's a problem with me then. Sorry, guys.
I think in the go to app where you are using, there you have option to zoom out.
It's
Yeah, can we
okay
just
right
import?
now.
Yeah, yeah. So Sahil, you can import your project from Eclipse to IntelliJ just like that. Yes, you can do it. That is not a problem. Okay. Is this font size okay, guys? Or shall I reduce or increase more? Because you are
Yeah,
the
this
ones
is
who will
good.
be giving the recording.
This is good.
Box.
Okay. So let us do the first step of the coding part. Let us go to the first step. Okay. Thing is what we need to create a package. What is a package? Package is nothing but how you have cupboards in your shelves. How many of you have cupboards in your shelves? Everyone has cupboards in your shelves, right? In your room, wardrobe, anywhere. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
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 The
Yes.
same thing we need to create a package in our programming also because always we need to maintain the code in a package only. We should not put the code outside the package. That is not a good practice. So what we need to do, right click, new. First we create a package. Okay. So as of now, I'm putting September 19, 2024 because most of the people have requested like put the folder date wise along with the topic name. So this is what I've spoken to them and they're on the job of it. Okay. September 19, 2024 is my package name. You can put any package name of your choice. That is up to you. Okay. Then do a right click, click on new. Then I click on Java class. What is the name of the class that you want to give? That is up to you. Whatever name you want to give. But always ensure that you should give your class name in capital letter, not in small letter. Got it? Got it?
Sorry, where we get this? If we click right click on the class,
Hmm?
if we click right on the September 19th, which option we have to click for
Class.
the
Java
classes?
class. Java class.
Java class. I'm not able to see this. Catalin class file, something like this.
No, above Catalan class file, there's a something called as Java class file. Okay.
No, I don't see anything like this.
It will be there. If it should be there because we are working with Java.
Hmm.
Or else if you are installing something wrong, you have to check that. So I want you to check the exact installation how I did it. If you did the same way, you will definitely get it. Okay.
I'm
Sure.
sorry. I'm just gonna take you back a little bit. Um, so Rahul, normally when we install Java and we integrate it with the Eclipse or IntelliJ, whatever, we need to do a build path and then import Java libraries in the IntelliJ or Eclipse, right? I don't see you doing it over here. So have you
I have
had
already
mentioned?
did the bin path. I already did it in the control panel, right? Environment variables.
Yeah, but you have to go into the build path and then you import those Java
That see, that
libraries.
is the beauty of IntelliJ. In IntelliJ, we need not set up any build path. It is
Oh,
automatically configured.
okay, okay, okay. That's good. Okay, good to know that.
Yeah. Okay. Now new Java class. Then put whatever name you want. Always your class name should start with a capital letter. Okay. Class name should start with a capital letter. Okay. Got this point, guys?
Yes.
So this is a class name that we need to write. So whatever logic we want to execute or implement, it should be present inside main method. Okay. What is this main method? Main method is nothing but the Java compiler recognizes the keyword main to execute the programs. Got it? It is like Java has specified the keyword main to execute the programs. If tomorrow instead of main, if they change to execute, if they change to mains, that is up to them. But we should always understand that Java compiler recognizes the keyword main to execute the programs. That is why we are writing main. Okay. Let us write the main method. So what we will say, public static void main string args. So in the future classes, we'll understand what is public, what is static, what is void, what is this arguments. We'll be seeing them sooner in the future classes. Got it? This is how we need to write a main method first. Okay. Is this clear how we create a class and how we create a main method?
Yes.
Yeah.
How are you giving this curly braces open and closing at a
It is
stage?
automatically coming up. IntelliJ is already giving you. I'm not doing anything. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now, what is the first command that we all heard of it, that we all did it during your school days? I will say system.out.println hello world. This is the common thing that you have heard of it, that you have listened to it, that we have seen it. This is the first command that we all see. What is the system.out.println? It prints the data onto the console. Got it? What do you say? It prints the data onto the console. So this is I mean, right now you will not see a console tab coming up, but understand that prints the data onto the console. What is the data it will print onto the console? That is hello world. Okay. If we want to put any sentence, we need to specify within double quotes. Got it? Got it? So how do you run this program? Do a right click on run. So when I run, you will see this console tab. This is like a console tab. So this console is somewhere where it will print the value that is hello world. Got it? It is just like printing the values, like how you have a printer machine where it prints the data that you want to. Similarly, we are doing the same print operation on the console. Got it? So Praveen, YouTube videos will not be taken off anytime ever, because we are running these YouTube videos for a past couple of years. Okay. Okay, this is what we have written as a first program, that is hello world. Got it? Clear? This is the first program that we have written. So if I want, see, since we are all lazy coders, we are not used to, we don't want to write this much of a big statements. So what is the shortcut for writing system.out.println? Shortcut for writing system.out.println. Okay, this shortcut is applicable for IntelliJ only. Type sout followed by enter key. Got it? I'll type the word sout followed by enter key. So that is how it generates the print statement. Got it? Got it, everyone? Yes. So what I will say, this is a this is my first coding class. I will write like this. So Manisha asked me, do we have any shortcut for running the programming IntelliJ? Yes. The shortcut for running the program in IntelliJ is use Control plus Shift plus F10. Got it? This is the shortcut for running the programming IntelliJ. Control Shift F10. It will run the program. Got it? That is the shortcut fee for running. So I will say 40 minus 200 divided by 50. Can anyone tell me the answer for line number 25?
Yes.
36.
Okay, 36. How about others?
Yeah, it's 36.
Mhm. So don't use your calculators to solve the problem. That is one request. Okay.
We are good at maths, but not at coding.
Yeah, no worries. No worries, Anita. You'll also be good at coding after this course is completed. Can anyone tell me the answer for this? Yeah, can you keep on mute if you're not, that we will avoid
I
some
guess
disturbance.
70.
70. Okay. How about others?
Can you also post this problem into the chat so we can just execute this into our Eclipse or IntelliJ?
Yeah. Don't. I will share the code file later, not now. Okay.
Sorry,
Don't
sir, I
execute.
modify my answer. May be a 71.
Okay. Whatever answer you said, it's the final. Okay. So what's the answer, guys? Can you say what's the answer? 71. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, guys, what's the answer? The answer is minus 9870, guys. Okay.
Yeah,
How many of you got
because
this?
it's a big number. Yeah. Minus only I was getting, but yeah. Bottomless formula I was putting.
Yes. In Java, we follow Bodmer's rule
Yeah.
for arithmetic operations. What does this BODMA stands for? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Got it? So what will happen here initially? First I have to do a division. 30 minus 200 by 2 into 100 plus 300 minus 200. So what I have to do? I have to divide. 200 by 2 is 100. 100 into 100 plus 300 minus 200. 30 minus 100 into 100 is what? 10,000, right?
10,000 plus 300
Minus
minus 200.
200. So what we need to do? We need to
We
add
will
the
add
numbers.
330, then minus 10,000 minus 200 added will make it.
Yes. Got it? Got it?
Uh, Yeah, you don't need the last minus 200 there.
Yeah, yeah. So what will happen? Minus 10. Yeah. Okay, sorry. My bad. I made the math wrong. Got it? This is the answer. Got it, guys? How we do arithmetic operations in Java? Gopi, I'll be giving you some sample resumes from some of the candidates that I have interviewed in the recent times. That would be of a great help for you. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Can anyone tell me the answer for line number 36? So as if right now we are not sharing any resumes. Later, after the course is done, then I'll be sharing this some resume templates. Okay.
6870 minus 6870.
Okay. How about others? You should not say, Anita, you should never say the answer minus 6670 as the answer. You should always say the complete sentence. Then only you will have the habit of saying the right answer all the time. Got it? Like you should say number obtained is so and so number.
Okay,
Got it?
okay. Okay, yeah, sure.
So what's the answer, guys? Minus 6870. Until then, we will have class. We'll have the class till from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. So if we feel like we have to cover some more concepts, the class will be stretched by another 10-15 minutes, not more than that, Asif. 9 to 10 p.m. IST.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
What's the answer? 9x. Some people give some answer.
Number minus.
Minus 6870. I hope everyone is clear how we got the answer. Minus 6870. Yes, a lot of us. Okay. So, how can you tell me is there any difference between print ln and print, or they are the same command in a different ways? Just give it a try. I don't want any right answer. Wrong
Okay.
answers are right.
Okay,
ln is
system.out.print means like
new
what are the
line.
information we are giving in between the quotes, it will print. Print ln means the next sentence will come into the next line. Print in next line.
Okay. Cool, Madhu, you can go.
Yeah, the same thing.
No,
ln
same.
stands for next line, so cursor will move to next line after this.
Yes, got it. You guys are absolutely bang on. Okay. So what is happening when you say print? Print means what? Prints the data onto the console. Okay. So when I say print ln, prints the data onto the console, that is hello world, and moves the cursor to the next line. What do you mean by move the cursor to the next line? For people who are not able to understand this, so suppose my sentence is hello world. When I use println, what will happen? It will print the data onto the console like this. Then the cursor will move to the next line like this. Got it? Got it, everyone? Is this clear for people who are learning?
Yes, Rahul, yes.
Yes. This is what happens in println. Got it? If you execute the program, got it? You see this number obtained is minus 6870 and this end of the code is coming in the same line. Got it? Got it, everyone?
Okay, but if you use print ln in before end of the code, so it will go in the next line, or where we have to use
See,
get into the next line?
if you use print or println, the code will come in the same line. But if you use println here, then the end
Uh-huh.
of the code will come in the different line. Got it?
Different. Okay, got it. Yeah, yeah.
Mm. So this is the first set of programs which I wanted to discuss with you, like the variables, the sentences, the arithmetic operations. How do you combine this sentence with some arithmetic operations? Got it? So here, plus is used as a joining operator, or a concatenation. Got it? Got it? It is used to join two values. Basically, this plus symbol, whatever you see, it's not like an addition. It is used to join two values. Got it?
Yeah.
So how many of you are ready to see this Java 21 latest enhancement and println statement? How many of you are ready to see this Java 21 latest println statement?
Yes, sure.
Yes, yes, yes. We are getting a lot of readies. Yeah. Okay. So what is the latest change? So the same thing, what I can do is I will type str dot. I need not use any plus symbol and all. Gone. Nothing is required. Got it? I don't need anything of this. Just I will say, got it? So there will be some error coming up. So it will say like import static constant. So click on this import static constant. If you hover onto this, it will say like import static constant. Yes, I will import the static constant. Correct. After that, if you hover onto this, it will be coming one error. Okay. Okay. Once this is done now, what is the next thing that we need to do? Okay.
It's still red.
Okay. One moment. I'll give you. Okay. Now what we need to do in order to enable this feature, go to settings, sorry, project structure, go to the language level. Yeah. If you come to this language level, there is one option called as string templates, unnamed class instance main methods. This concept is there. Select this preview option. Okay. Set the language level as this. Got it? Once I set the language level as this, then I'll click on apply. Then I click on OK. Got it?
We should go to project structure to fix it.
Yes.
Can you explain what you have done in str? You have used it. What? Okay.
Yeah.
And after project structure, what we supposed to choose?
Just give me a moment. Na?
Uh-huh.
Go to project structure.
Mm-hmm.
Set this language level to, if you scroll
Uh-huh.
down, set this language level to string templates, unnamed class instance main methods. Got it?
21.
Got it?
Yes, got it. Thank you.
Rahul, what is the agenda of you telling this? Can you please explain? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. Let me give you a better example. Like this, you will be confused. I will explain you this variable concept tomorrow. Okay. I'll explain you this variable concept tomorrow. I'll just showcase this thing. Assume that you'll be storing all this value in a separate variable. Got it? I'll tell you what is variables tomorrow. Don't worry. So I'm just giving you an
Yeah, that
example here.
that is understood. Yeah, you are storing this value in a variable, which is an integer,
Yeah.
and you're
So
calling
what
that.
I'm trying to say. This is what we do, right? Initially. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, as
Okay.
per the latest style of Java, what is happening here? You need not use any plus symbol to concatenate the operators. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, just give me a moment. If you go to this syntax here, okay, okay. Okay, give me a moment. Project structure, enable preview, I have to give. Okay, okay. If you want to enable that feature now, you need to enable some plugins here. Got it? Build. This will be done automatically actually, but I don't know why it is asking again.
Is this the POM file that you're making change into?
Yes.
But it isn't it supposed to be done automatically?
That is what the problem is. I don't know. It should happen automatically. Previously, it was used to happen automatically. Why it is not happening is the question. Okay. Just give me a moment now. I'll take this code from one of my previous projects. That would be easy for me because this comes automatically. We need not do all this hard work.
Because you need to, if you're doing it manually, you need to go to, copy the dependency on.
Yeah. Just give me a moment. You will not have to do the struggle. I'll see what is the exact behavior because in the latest version of IntelliJ, what these guys have done, I'm not pretty much sure. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay. Just give me this thing because this happens automatically. As you guys said, it's absolutely right. Got it? Got it, guys. Now the error is gone because we need to mention in the we need to mention this as enable preview as your compiler argument. This is something which happens automatically, which does not happen manually. Okay, got it, everyone? Anjum, Anita,
No,
Manisha.
Rahul.
Yes.
So
Okay,
what
what
was
I
that error? Why? What is? I mean, this is pom.xml. How you have gotten changing that? I'm not able to.
So, Anjum, don't get confused. For everyone who are seeing this thing coming up, don't get confused. Just it should be done automatically. It will give you the option to get it done automatically, but for some reason it is not happening. Try it in your system. If it is not coming up, I will share this snippet. You copy the same thing in your pom.xml file, that will work out. Okay. Okay, I'll explain you in detail. Like what is happening means if I want to use the JDK21 feature, I have to put this enable preview option. If I want to use the JDK21 feature of it. Got it, Anita? This much I can say for now. If you want
Rahul,
to
but I
enable
think
certain,
you're back. You have created sample program.java right in front of us. But how
yes,
this? How about this pom.xml?
it is created automatically when you select the project as Maven. A pom.xml file will be automatically created and at the heart of
Okay.
any Maven project.
Okay. Okay. So every time we create this program like .java file for the program writing, it will be creating every time or once, only
No,
once,
only one time setup. This is
one time setup. Okay. So
okay.
okay, okay,
Ideally, in your editors, it will throw an error like set this template to 21. It will only ask you automatically to set the template, but that is not happening. If it is not happening, don't worry. Go to project structure, change that template to string templates and all, and you can copy paste this build thing. I'll be sharing this thing in a. I'll be sharing this thing in the group. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah,
So
Manisha,
we,
go ahead.
so we will try to do it by ourselves, and then if it
Yeah.
doesn't, it gives you error, then you just paste the snippet of the pom.xml, and then we just copy paste into
Yes.
pom.xml.
Yes, yes, that's it. Yeah, Manisha, tell me, what was your issue? Okay, Anita, Aruna, Anjum, I have clarified. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you see, once the setting is done, you see how easily our print statement got changed. You need not put any plus symbol, because when you use plus symbol, you need to put it up properly. Okay. You need to put this plus symbol properly. And again, if you want to write a sentence, you need to put a plus symbol later. You don't have all these headaches. So I'll use a string template directly and I'll say number obtained is A. Got it?
But there is a syntax change, like you're putting slash and curly bracket
Yeah,
change.
yeah, slash and A. This is more easier than that. Why I'm telling you? Because if you put a plus now, for a beginners, it will be very difficult to put plus at the right position, because if you put plus at a wrong position, the code will behave completely wrong. But you know that you need to pass a variable. You put a backward slash followed by you put the variable name within the curly braces. This is more easier syntax than the previous one. Got it? I mean,
I
it's up
believe
to
old
you.
one is the more easiest one.
Sorry.
I believe old syntax is the more easiest one. Just that we need to add concatenation symbol. Other than that, it's
See,
nothing.
Aruna, why we feel it's the easiest one was all our life we have been through this. That is why we
Yeah,
say
correct,
easiest.
correct.
All our life we have been through this plus.
But
Suddenly a new thing.
it's always good to learn new things. That's fine.
Yes, yes, yes. All our life we've been using plus 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 and we got accustomed to this plus symbol. So Java has brought this thing because you're seeing at a single variable level only. But if I'm trying to form a sentence using multiple variables and multiple values now, this will create a chaos. You will see soon the power of this new Java change. I'm just giving you a sample template, but you will soon see how it will easier work. Okay. Got it, guys? Clear? I guess we have exceeded our time by 20 minutes. I'm so sorry for taking an extra time of 20 minutes. So you guys can practice and I'll be sharing this code files in the group. Okay.
And
Rahul, can
also,
you stay for a
Rahul,
sorry? Can you
One moment, one by one. Yeah.
uh, uh, can you just stay for like a minute or so? I just wanted to share my screen when like after the meeting.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Rahul,
Rahul,
I
can you
already
please?
have Java in my system installed, but I'm unable to find out the version of it. Can you help me into that?
You
Because for
open your
Jmeter,
command prompt.
huh?
Open your command prompt.
Command prompt. Okay.
Type
Yeah.
Windows R. Press Windows R. Type CMD.
CMD. I've got it. I have got it. CMD.
Yeah. Type Java space hyphen version.
Java space hyphen version. It is showing me 22 because I've installed for Jmeter.
Okay. Okay. So I've downgraded to 21. Don't go for 22. Downgrade to 21.
So I have to uninstall it.
Yeah, uninstall and install it. Why I'm telling you is when we work with CI/CD partner, 22 doesn't support.
So boss, how to do that uninstallation? I have to just go and
Okay, Anita, as of now you go with 22 only for a while. I'll explain you how to uninstall and install it. Okay.
no, that I will check it and do it. But that was with another JMeter thing. It was under JMeter Apache thing.
Yeah, even
So
Jmeter works with JDK 21. That's not a problem. Okay.
21 also it will work, right?
Yeah, 21 also it will work Jmeter, because personally I also use Jmeter, so 21 also it supports.
Okay.
Rahul, your
You
camera
have
is
to
turned
help me
on.
out.
1 minute, 1 minute. Anita, yeah, tell me.
Okay, I think you have to help me out with that because I'm already in the batch with Chandra's batch for JMeter, Rahul, for this Isha
Okay,
onboarding.
okay, do one thing. Do one thing. As of now, you continue with JDK 22, but once
Huh.
we start working on this CI/CD and DevOps integration, that time we will switch to JDK 21. As of now, you stick to this. Okay.
But that's okay. I will do 21 from right away. Na? Otherwise, it will be again
Yeah, yeah.
confusing.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Anita, you do one thing. You download and install JDK 21, and
Huh.
I will show you how to uninstall JDK 22. Okay. From the
Thank you,
control
Rahul.
panel,
Thank
you can do
you.
uninstall. Basically, I'll show you. I'll show you. It's a very small step.
Control panel, I'm there.
Yeah. Go to control panel.
Huh.
You go to wait.
Just tell
You
me
go to
uninstallation part. I will install the 21 by looking
yeah,
into the videos
yeah.
again.
Go to uninstall. You see
Programs.
this JDK 22, right? Like how I have
One
21, you'll have
second.
22 there. Right click, uninstall. That's it.
Java, Java, Java. ठीक है. Meanwhile, you take someone's else doubt also, please.
Yeah, thanks.
Got it
Rahul,
Yes.
done.
Yeah,
Hello?
Runa. Yeah,
Can you
Runa,
please
tell me.
provide the links where the ability? Sorry, can you
I'll
please provide
share you.
the
I'll
links to
share you.
download the
After this.
links and then the changes what we are supposed to do as well?
Yeah, yeah, I'll share everything. Give me some time. I'll share everything. Okay.
Okay, can I go next?
Yeah, Anjum, go ahead. Oh, wait, 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 wait. Let me go to Utkalika. She's been raising her hand for a long time. Utkalika, tell me.
Yeah, thanks for giving the option. So actually, I have the Chrome version as 128. That is the latest version. So to
Hmm.
install the driver of the Chrome, there is no 128,
There
right?
is
There is
nothing like
showing
that.
114 and above.
There is nothing like that. Okay.
So I can use any Chrome driver version.
Yes, yes. That is two ahead, Utkalika. I'll showcase you during the Selenium sessions. What is what? Okay.
No, currently I have installed. That's why I'm facing that
Yeah, yeah.
issue. So I
Anything
thought to
is
check with
fine.
you.
I'll let you know how do you do it. Okay. Give me some time, Utkalika.
Okay.
Any
So no need to
any
match up
latest?
the Chrome version with the driver version, right?
Yeah, yeah. Match the Chrome version with the
Okay.
driver version. That is what you do it for now. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Also, Rahul, I'm seeing that I'm not able to share the file.
Okay. Wait, wait. You want
You have
who
to give
wants
the access, Rahul. That access is
one minute?
required for.
One. Which
And
access you
Rahul,
want?
no presenter access has to give to
Yeah,
share
I'll give.
the
I'll give. Wait, 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 wait. I'll give. Who is Anjum? You want to
Anjum.
share?
I
Anjum.
need, yes, sorry. I need access. I just wanted to share this screen.
Yeah, yeah. Share it. You can share now.
Sorry, Rahul, it's today's
Meanwhile,
main.
Rahul, I'm
So,
logging off. I will install the 21. I have uninstalled 22. Fine.
Fine. Thanks.
Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Good day.
Bye.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen, and this is the screen that I'm seeing. I think I've downloaded it incorrectly.
Intel EJ. You have downloaded something related to Intel. It is Intel EJ.
So this is wrong.
This is wrong. The Intel is something related to the processor. Intel EJ.
Okay, let me
Control
just go.
D.
Okay, hold on. Let me just go into the. So where do I go from here?
Type Intel EJ. Intel
This
EJ
is what
download. Okay.
I've done.
Then go ahead. Come down. Select the first option.
This one.
Yeah. First I mean download Intel EJ. Click on that link. Scroll down. Scroll down.
This is what I've selected. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay. Wait. Hold on. Type in the search. Type in search here. Type in
search.
the search box. You see a type here to search option, right? In the Windows, after the start, after the Windows menu, you have a type to search.
Uh,
Down, left side bottom, you have type to search, right?
Here.
Left side bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, type IntelliJ. It's coming now, IntelliJ.
Yes. But when I'm trying to open it, it's
Wait,
not open.
wait. It's opening.
Is this the one that you're?
Yes, yes, this is the one we are working on it. Accept, confirm the terms and agreements. Continue. Don't send.
Don't send?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, Mario, the class is over. You can drop. I'm just clarifying the doubts.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Anyone wants to clarify any doubts?
Yes, can I have ask a question?
Yeah, go,
It's
Myra.
it's regarding arithmetics. So you gave us. So I was just curious. So you told us don't use a calculator. So why do we need to make it? I mean, like why we just compile? What is the logic behind this?
Sorry, Myra. Sorry, Myra. Could you repeat?
Oh,
Who
yeah.
asked the question?
The question, me, Miram. Yes, you're right. When we were doing arithmetic, putting numbers, so you asked us not to use calculator. So you asked us to do it by ourselves, not
Mhm.
just compile the code. What was the logic behind that? Why we
What was the
shouldn't
logic
just?
behind that is
Yes,
I want you to understand how the Bodmer's rule operates and how the Bodmer's rule works internally. If you do it, if you do run the script, you will never ever understand the logic behind it, right? So that is the reason I'm asking you to do it manually, so that if you do the Bodmer's operation manually, then you'll understand how the Java is behaving.
got you. Not just debugging, right? I should come with this idea by myself, and then I need to check.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, got you. Thank you for explanation. I was just curious.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for the class. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Who's next? Who's next? I guess Bhuvanaya. Okay.
Rahul sir, should I share my screen?
One moment.
Okay.
Yes. You can share your screen.
Rusa, around 5 minutes. Uh, choose what share with the Chrome. Why it's not getting shared? Okay, let me see. Turn after this means.
Please share your screen. Yes,
Are you
tell
able
me.
to see my screen, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Actually, I was at work, so I joined a little bit late.
Mm-hmm.
So I want your help to see if my variables are set up rightly, and
Oh, you should open
because
your
I,
environment variables.
and I was not able to get this Java in IntelliJ when we try to install the add the class. I was not able to get that one also.
What was the issue you are getting? I need you to open IntelliJ first. When you open IntelliJ, when you see the Java version, I want you to see what
Are
is
you
the
able to
issue.
see my IntelliJ screen now?
Yeah, yeah.
So if we are here, let me see. I created one project. Where is that? Open. Come on. No, not this one. Sorry. Hmm. So it's here. Please confirm if you are able to see.
I am seeing
We
only SSMS screen. I am seeing only SSMS screen. Okay.
oh, how can I share again? Let me see.
Yeah. If
Sh
anyone has any doubts, you can still stay back. We are done with the main session. Or if you want to see the doubt clarification session, you can
entire
stay back
screen.
and
Let's
see.
see. No. Why? Entire screen. Okay. Share. Let's see now. Sir, let me know if you are able to see
Yeah,
now.
go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tell me.
So if you see here, I go new, and here I'm not able to see
Okay.
the Java
Go to
class
go to file.
file here.
Yeah, file.
Mm-hmm.
Type sample program.java. Type something.java. Sample program. Sample.java. Enter. type any, I mean, just try writing our code.
Uh,
No, you should write it inside a main method, right? What we have discussed in class. Or else I'll put the
system
code
dot
in
out.
the chat. Hmm?
System dot out, you mean?
No, not like that. You should say like this.
Where is the chat? Let me see. I'm not able to see the chat. Let me get that. Did you send a message?
I have put the code link in the group.
I'm not able to see. Is the last message from Myra?
You have to
Myra.
see in the WhatsApp group. I've
Okay,
sent the code
WhatsApp
in.
group. Okay, let me see.
Okay, I'll stop the recording. It's done.